Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute the microphone on your headphones PHILIPS Fidelio L4. And right here at the right ear cup we have this button with the microphone, and now I will show you how it works. So as you can see right now we have a waves, so it means that my microphone is on mute, and if I press on this microphone button I'm just muted. Also I hear that it said mute, and as you can see no waves here. So to unmute it, just press again. I press on it and now it said unmute, and as you can see we again have these waves. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!